But you can say appeal. They say one J conviction and two into our appeal here. You know, then my court of appeal in where into our cancer they say cancel. Now on can say be a yen and court of appeal we are no so actually not by next I know yet no say then train na court of appeal you know in where because bia na court of appeal the training the banka kai no as bi nso a bench na senior Supreme Court kai na enti no say pass or convict no na no de no kotum senior me can so punish no severely no ukwa man be dija kwa man ni ohire nde enye sa asem no kra enye de court say G2 no say or your hand can yen fan cause yen punish no mea me nwa kakra say ubi asem say injunction the injunction to ne so no ni on me fa injunction application bi anko application e dey call no and they say they say yen san call ye chi yen call yen foforo e no omo ndi so no convict o e na webu na ni edu court ruling no so and until on train so ya fa anko say ye say mundi ni he and just an they call say you a book court and intia kuku but baby or they call fire and ye hokra and they call two things and can then you they said mean you can mean you na mumfa lawyer fufu but in na there was her okun me na said me lead ukap my ewo mra akwan so was her case baby or they call fire no and yet a hokra na said god if inti a chino might be good now, yeah. And then you know, make me account of PTA. But we are called so near Eastern Regional House of Chiefs here, and not Kumasi here. Or shall say no, and then not Munina will be. Shall say, come on, or they call for PDA by two. In the time, as a way, so they call 250,000. And I'm catching judge and say, "Judge say, be mine." I'm saying, "We know they are say, or they call because Supreme Court a buiada. Supreme Court a buiada. Inte in corner, and until I went to me and found foul, not a coffer injunction. Supreme Court can be biafa injunction. Inte, Senator McCain, as my name, and then I'll be a chance.